Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Dify on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it full up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First, after updating your system packages, we need to install essential utilities using the following command. Next, we'll create a directory to store GPG keys, download the official Docker key and set read permission using these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. After that, we'll add the Docker repository and install Docker using the following commands. Now let's configure user permission and check the installed Docker version with these comments. Download Dify using this command. Navigate to the directory where you download the repository and create a local configuration file using the following command. Next, start the Docker container using these commands. Now open your web browser and enter your server IP address. Complete the registration process and you're ready to start working with Dify. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.